Do you ever feel like money just doesn't stick around? No matter how hard you work or how much you earn, it's like the moment you get paid, your wallet just starts leaking. Well, here's the truth. Money isn't just about earning, it's about energy, habits, and your mindset. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 types of people money always seems to avoid, and exactly what they need to change to finally attract wealth, stability, and that peace of mind we all want. Because the truth is, it's not about luck, it's about alignment. Let's dive in. First up, the instant gratification person. This is the person who lives by the motto, you only live once. It's usually right before making a questionable financial decision. They get paid today, and by tomorrow, they're broke again. They buy things to feel rich, instead of doing the things that actually make them rich. Here's a crazy stat. Studies show that people who can delay gratification, who can wait for rewards, are 4 times more likely to build long-term wealth. So instead of asking, can I afford this right now? Try asking, will I still be happy I bought this a month from now? This simple shift from emotional spending to intentional spending is how money starts trusting you again. Because money doesn't stay where it's wasted, it stays where it's valued. Next is the excuse maker. This person always has a reason why they can't save or invest. Life is too expensive. I'll start when I earn more. I don't have enough to save anything meaningful. But here's the hard truth. If you can't save $100, you won't magically start saving 1,000. It's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. Start small. Seriously, even just 5% of your income. The key is consistency, because money respects discipline. Remember this, you don't wait to be rich to manage money. You manage money to become rich. Third on our list is the approval seeker. They buy things not because they need them, but because they want people to see they can afford them. The latest phone, designer shoes, fancy restaurants, all for the gram. But here's the funny part, most of the people they trying to impress are probably broke too. Shift your focus from showing wealth to building wealth. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought back in 1958. Meanwhile, some people spend their entire paycheck just pretending to be successful. If you care more about looking rich than being rich, money will always avoid you. Number 4 is the fearful hoarder. Now, not everyone loses money by spending it. Some lose it by being too afraid to use it. They hold on to their money so tightly, never investing, never taking calculated risks, never starting that business they dream about. They think they're being smart, but inflation is silently eating away at their savings every single year. You have to understand this, money grows when it moves wisely. Learn, invest, try. Even small investments compound over time. You don't have to risk everything, but don't let fear keep you from multiplying what you have. As Robert Kiyosaki says, the risk is not in taking action, it's in doing nothing. Coming in at number 5 is the negative talker. They're constantly saying things like, I'll never be rich, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people are all greedy. Guess what? When you speak lack, you attract lack. Your beliefs create your reality, even your financial one. If your mind rejects the idea of wealth, your actions will too. You need to reprogram your money mindset. Start saying things like, I'm learning how to manage my money better, or money flows easily to me because I use it wisely. It might sound small, but your words shape your world. Your mouth is the steering wheel of your future. Number 6. The comfort zone dweller. They want more money but refuse to learn new skills, take on a side gig, or improve themselves. They stay in low-paying jobs because they're afraid of failure. But here's a fact. The economy rewards growth, not comfort. Invest in yourself. Learn a high-income skill like copywriting, data analysis, or digital marketing. Read books. Watch free tutorials. Take small steps. The moment you start to grow, your income ceiling rises right along with you. Money flows to value, not just potential. And finally, number 7. The unclear dreamer. They want money, but they have no idea why. They chase cash with no purpose, and that's exactly why it never stays. Money needs direction. Think of it like water, it flows where there's a clear structure. You need to have a clear financial goal. Do you want to buy land, retire early, travel the world? Define your why. Once your goals are specific, your actions and discipline will naturally follow. Clarity attracts consistency, and consistency attracts money. Because money doesn't stay with people who don't know what to do with it. Here's the truth most people never realize. Money isn't avoiding you. You might be repelling it through your habits, your mindset, and your fear. When you start to fix these 7 things, money stops being your master and becomes your partner. So start small today, control your spending. Manage what you have, invest in your growth, speak abundance, and have a reason that's bigger than money itself. Because when you stop chasing money and start becoming the kind of person money trusts, it will find you effortlessly. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly money lessons, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, money doesn't change who you are. It reveals who you've become. See you in the next one.